until the next day. Please leave your name and number, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
The office is currently closed. Please remain on the line to leave a message in our general delivery mailbox.
Please listen to the following options. Press 1 to leave a voicemail, and we will respond as soon as possible. Press 2 to speak with a doctor. Press pound to repeat the menu.
If you are experiencing a medical emergency, please hang up and dial 911. For information or questions about COVID-19 testing and vaccinations, press 0.
On 5.
If you're satisfied with the message, press 1. To listen to your message, press 2. To erase and re-record, press 3. To continue recording where you left off, press 4. 4360 is not available. The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.
On 5.
Good.